taking Harry Young's idea of clothes and folding up to date, this is something that's not centuries old, but it's a few years old. It's a strange material which has got lots of creases in it, lots of folds, which can't be removed. As soon as you relax it, folds come back again. This is supposed to be a t-shirt, incidentally, a very colourful t-shirt that you put on and stretches right over really quite a large adult body because it's got a lot of stretch to it. And the thing is, the folds cannot be removed. They're absolutely imprinted there. Extraordinary idea, that. I have seen it in Melbourne cases used really for almost haute couture, beautiful things, but making hundreds of dollars in cost using this same technique, and it looks fabulous to look at, I have to say. And the other version I've got of this, which is a lovely reminder that magicians are always looking for new ideas and turning them into new tricks. So this handkerchief I've got in my breast pocket is actually a magic trick. It's a handkerchief made of that strange, interesting material with folds in it, which cannot be removed. And I could dab my forehead with it or blow my nose in it. But as a magic trick, all you've got to do is do something which I've never done with magic, which is just toss it in the air like that, up in the air, up and down, up and down, up and down a few times. And almost immediately it's formed into, oops, one last little bit, famous origami crane with the flapping wings, etc. So it's a wonderful example of magicians finding new technology and actually be able to make something of it into a magic trick. Since this is still very, very new stuff, you might have a thought yourself about what else you can do with this idea. It's a type of treatment of the cloth which gives it a fold which is completely permanent, like memory metal or whatever. So have a go and see what you can come up with.